Hi, my name is Megan O'Shields. I'm the director at BAYADA Home Health Care in Gastonia, North Carolina. Today is Nurses Week. This whole week is Nurses Week, and we are trying to give back to our nurses and all the nurses in the community by washing cars. We feel like they go in the homes and take care of our trach and vent clients every day, and we want to be able to take care of them a little bit. So we've invited all of our nurses to come up for the day, and we're going to wash their cars for them. What? Got it. Hey!